Hand Savior Assembly Guide. 2 holes to be drilled on the frame at 25 mm center distance. Similarly, 2 holes on the ram at 25 mm center distance. M12 tapping on the frame and also on the ram of press machine. Extension plate with mounting holes to be mounted on the frame with bolts. Parting the extension plate according to the need of the press machine. Mounting of the top assembly with the help of Allen bolt. Mounting of the lower assembly on the ram with the help of Allen bolts. Acute adjustment arm to be adjusted when the stroke of machine is lowered. Connecting the upper and lower assembly together with the help of connecting pin and fastening with bolt. Assembling the swinging arm on swing adjustment plate. Now the product is ready for use. Useful tips during assembling the product. When the assembly is completely installed, gradually increase the swing speed according to the bed length of press machine. Both lower and upper assembly ends should be aligned in vertical axis. For best results, always maintain 20 to 60 degree angle on the acute adjustment arm. Maintain sufficient space between upper and lower assembly. This is how the assembled product looks like. Thanks for watching.